Nice to see you, Geena, again on the IPA platform. Last year also you did a fantastic job. This year too. I think your presentation was very apt for today's needs. Q8 concept, QBT versus QBD, QTPP, all those terms you explained so well. And I think most important was your presentation of the case study. That really gave us the flavor of the whole thing. How QBD can improve the process and how QBD can help all of us in improving. There is one question of so far I have. This is related to the QBD is great for the new products. QBD is new products, but the products which are legacy products, where we are manufacturing tons and tons of those products, how QBD can be applied so that the variations can be eliminated, or we can get better process capabilities, better CPK values. Do you have any comments on this?
Absolutely. So, while QBD is definitely, as you're building quality right through development to manufacturing, it works wonderful for new products, but equally for the existing products, because you have so much data. And, I don't want us to be just limited by what we understand as QBD. And that's the reason I try to explain that there is the next horizon of looking at QBD. Look at digital, look at advanced analytics, look at in silico modeling, look at things today from the rich data that you have. So absolutely very, very possible to use the QBD principles even today, because when you start looking at look at your data again of your existing products and identify which parameters or which process variables are can be bucketed between high risks and low risks, and relook at your program at any given time.
Thank you. One more question is, QBD gives us the good design space. Now, whether this design space is used in the commercial manufacturing or it remains only on the paper in the QBD documents.
So I think that, when your filing is through a QBD development, then you've got all the document to support your, your development program. And that is why the design space needs to be embedded right from development to manufacturing to scale up and as a part of continuous manufacturing. Very often we artificially create a design space and say, the regulator should approve it, but it has to go with very sound justification. And sometimes it's good to just step back and generate more data to be able to support your hypothesis and support your development through a design space.
Thank you, Geena. I don't think there are any other questions. Thank you very much for the very informative presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Belapure. It's been a pleasure.